Tapos ipupunas mo dito. Punas mo dito. Ganun. Tapos dip mo siya. Why black? Saan kukulayan mo ng black? Ah, okay. O, dip mo doon. Tapos, tapos, ano mo siya doon? Bakit black yan? Ano ba yan? Meteorite black? Hmm. Anong color nito? What color ito?
Oh, it's yellow.
Okay. O, dip mo muna doon sa tubig. Yan. Dito mo ilagay yung anong kulay nito? Ito.
Oh, it's yellow.
Oh, put mo muna. Dip mo muna doon. Kasi magkukulay yung black. Tapos, dry mo dito. I-dry mo dito yung ano mo, pink mo. Diyan. Ganyan mo. Ganyan mo. Para hindi kulay-kulay yung ano. O, saka mo siya i-dip doon. Go. O, diba? Ganyan ang mag-paint. Para hindi halo-halo yung kulay. Wala naman na yung mga drawing. O, lahat na ng color yellow. Asan pa yung yellow dyan? Yes. O, asan pa yung yellow? Yes.
Star.
More, ayun po.
Are you a teacher? I think a teacher.
Yes, I'm your teacher. O, anong kukulayan mo pa na next? Planet again? Okay.
Blue.
You dip doon. Dip na muna doon para hindi magkukulay yan. Tapos, iyan mo dito para mag-dry. Ganyan ang mag-color. Lemon. Ganyan ang mag-painting. Tapos,
Mami.
galing ah. Anong color ng mga hindi mo kinulayan? Ng blue. Green? Okay. Up, color. Para malinis. Dito muna. Diba? Malinis yung color mo. Hindi tulad dun sa yellow. Oh, nagkulay-kulay na. Kulay mo na. Asan na yung green? Wow, alam niyang magkulay ng planet Planet Earth.
Planet Earth.
Oh, next, what planet is this? Kulay mo na yan. Anong color yan? Yuck! Excuse me, come.
Yes. Red.
Okay.
Red is too much.
Up. Ew. What is this astronaut? What color is the astronaut? This one.
What's this?
Astronaut.
Astronaut. This color is
Okay po.
orange. Orange.
Wala tayong orange.
It's orange. Where's the red?
Morch,
Where's the
color mo pa ng red, ah.
red? How are we? Mommy, what's next?
I don't know to you.
Where's the brown?
Ikaw mag-decide.
It's brown?
Wala tayong brown.
Where's color?
Hindi na makita yung planet mo. Yung astronaut na. Wow, very good, ah.
What's the
Oh, this one po. Very good. Oh, color mo na yung yung astronaut.
What's this one?
This is astronaut.
What's the thing that is?
Ay, yak. Dinip niya. Dito mo. Dip.
To you.
Colorful na si Ganda naman. Ganda.
Yellow.
Iba-iba na yung kulay niya.
So the baby.
Yes. Very good. Yay! Fini. Oh, there's some more?
Yeah.
What color yan?
Red.
Okay.
Oh, look.
Dirty na yan.
What's color?
O, dip mo na dito para mag-dry yung mo, paintbrush mo.
I know this color is this. Let's read this.
Very good.
Finish.
Finish.